Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a table in Canva step by step. If you've ever struggled to organize information neatly in your designs, tables are one of the easiest tools you can use to make everything look clean and structured. By the end of this video, you'll be able to insert a table, customize it, and edit it like a pro. Let's get started. First, open Canva and go to your main design dashboard. You can use any design type, like a presentation, poster, or document. Tables work in all of them. Now, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see different options like templates, uploads, text, and more. Click on Elements. Inside Elements, you'll find a search bar and different categories. Scroll down slowly until you locate the section called Tables. Depending on your layout, you might need to click See All to view more options. Once you click on Tables, Canva will show you different table styles. Some are simple grids, while others are more styled for presentations or reports. Choose the one that fits your design, and it will instantly appear on your canvas. Now let's talk about editing it. If you want to add a new column, click on any cell in the top row of the table. A small toolbar or three-dot menu will appear. Click on the three dots and select Add Column. This will insert a new column into your table immediately. If you want to add a new row, click on any cell in the leftmost column. Again, open the three-dot menu and choose Add Row. The table will expand downward with a new row. These two simple options are the main way you build and structure your table in Canva. Now you can start filling in your data. Just click inside any cell and type your text. You can also adjust font size, alignment, colors, and spacing to match your design style. If you want your table to stand out more, you can even change the background colors of rows or columns. The great thing about Canva tables is how flexible they are. You can resize the whole table, move it around your design, or even combine it with icons and images to make your layout more visually appealing. Take a moment to experiment with different styles so your table fits naturally into your design instead of just looking like plain data. And that's how you create and add a table in Canva in just a few simple steps. Once you get used to it, you'll find it's a really powerful way to organize information in your designs quickly and cleanly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more design tips, drop a comment below. I always check them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.